biggest of them all. Act, cack, boom. Cack, boom, you walk into the room. Act, pick it back up, then you fall on your back. Act to the cack, boom. Sugar, cack, wow, boom, sugar, make sure you don't stop. Bring it back up and then death drop. Purse first. Walk to the room, purse first.
Hi guys, so I'm back. I'm gonna do like a whole video on why I left, what happened to me, because I got ill, like quite ill. So I'll tell you that in a different story, if you want to. If not, that's fine. I don't mind not telling the story. It's quite traumatizing, so I don't mind not telling it. But I have gotten into skincare and I've grown so much on Instagram that I'm wanting to show some brands some extra love that have sent me the products. 98% of these products I get sent for free, but this YouTube I do not get paid for. So I just wanted you to say that. I wanted to say that I don't get any sponsors, I don't get any pays. All I get is a product sent for free. Instagram, that's a different story, but we're talking about YouTube right now. I am kind of got tonsillitis right now, so I'm gonna need me a dark coffee. You guys know, coffee and chats. No, I'm not doing that anymore. But yeah, I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna get started. This is totally weird, so give me some time to get back in the groove, but I've missed it so fucking much. I noticed this is my therapy, and I don't care who watches. I don't care if I get 5 views, I don't care if I get 10 views. This is just my fun and my therapy, and an extra shout out to the brands that I truly love and have worked with for a very long time. I've been doing Instagram videos for a year now, so some of these brands have stuck with me since the beginning. So I'm gonna talk about them. And yeah, this is my morning skincare routine. So I have really sensitive skin. As you can see, I don't wear any makeup. I only wear eyes and lips. My lips come off. I have really sensitive acne prone skin, and that's because of the medicine I'm on now from what happened last time. So it kind of connects with my channel, so if you want to know why I can't wear makeup, then I might have to tell the story. Anyway, I've got sent this cream, and it is lifesaver gold. You need it in your life. If you don't and you have sensitive skin, I don't feel sorry for you that you haven't tried this. This is amazing. This is Epaderm, I think that's how you say, ointment. So what I do with this is I take a bit, I put it under the water, and then I massage it all over my face to get it all like creamy and milky. It's a milk cream cleanser and a cream in one. Mind blown. Never seen anything like it, to be honest. And then I go in with the Zoe, and this is by QYK Sonic, that is the brand name. I have broken this. It used to like vibrate, but I kind of like dropped it in the shower and I broke it. But the bristles are so big and not strong, because I have a really strong cleanser brush and it sometimes makes me rash out. So I keep this just so I can add my own pressure with a cleansing brush, and it's still not in my hands. But I put this on and then I go around with my brush, and it is really nice in the morning, really light cleanse, nothing too harsh, won't make me break out throughout the day. I don't care if I break out in the night time because I can get rid of that overnight, but in the day I don't want to break out and I don't want to have rashes, and these two are a must have if you get that. Pixi tonic glow oh my god, glow tonic to go. So these are tonic pads. They are the best thing ever. Yes, I am I'm not an affiliate with Pixi, but I'm on their PR list, so I get all of their products. They've sent me the 50ml version of this, and I'm still on the goddamn pads that they sent me at the beginning of the year. So I freaking love this stuff. I have a toner, like the Tonic Glow mini toners as well, that I put in just DIY. Sheet masks. If you have dry sensitive skin, these are the 2 products that you need in your life and you're good to go. This removes dead skin cells without being too harsh, and it exfoliates and tones at the same time. They're not animal tested, they are amazing, and I have a lot of Pixi products, so I'm just warning you. So as you can tell by the title, I didn't actually say this in the beginning, this is a Korean skincare routine, or Korean inspired 10 steps, more than 3 steps skincare routine. I have a DIY toner here. This one I only have rice water in it, because the other one that I used in this video was breaking me out. So I changed it, and I'm not going to tell you what I put in there. Well, it's just green tea and essential oils. But it broke me out because I used to use this and it actually got rid of a couple of spots, and then I changed and it broke me out. So just pure rice toner with a bit of rice at the bottom. I change it every 2 days. Yeah, I also do the 7 skin step with this because that has really helped with my dryness. Again, if you have dry skin, do the Pixi tonic 7 skin step, back to that cream, and you're really good to go. Like seriously, you're good to go for a week. Yeah, so I really like the 7 skin step. It does give you that extra moisture. I then have an essence. Essences are also amazing for dry skin. This is a dry skincare routine because I have extremely dry skin, like to the point where like little flake particles come off. It's terrible. Anyway, this is I never know how to say this brand. Cylab. Anyway, little dropper. You literally need 1 drop, so like a quarter of what's in there. It's lasted me for absolutely ages. Really, really nice essence. Very, very creamy, and it's nice in between serum and toner. It's something creamy but watery at the same time. I am getting into my 20s. Yes, guys, I'm 20 now. Wow, I'm getting old. So I need me some anti-age serum. The packaging looks like this. I didn't show it at all very well on the video because the lighting, I was trying to figure it out. This is really nice, and I have actually felt my under eyes not being dry this winter. Compressed sheet masks are the best thing that I have ever bought prior to sheet masks. I mix this with my toner and I put it in some leftover serum from another sheet mask, and it's like you've got a whole new sheet mask. Leave it on for 20 minutes, it's absolutely amazing. I have so many DIYs that I make with this, so if you want me to do a whole DIY sheet mask video, then I will. I'm not gonna lie, my channel is probably gonna be turned into me reviewing them because I have been sent, I'm not joking, over 100 sheet masks. So my channel will probably be mostly reviewing sheet masks and DIY sheet masks. There's other skincare stuff as well, but mainly sheet masks because I'm obsessed. Now, as I said, I've got dry skin, so I use an evening, this is a night cream, but I use it day and night because it's just really, really nice. It's a night cream where it's thicker than a day cream, but it's not like something like this where it's like, oh my god, you've got like basically almost oil on your face. It's really nice and creamy. This is the brand name right here. That's it. And it's oil of evening primrose. So they take the oil from the roses, put it in here. It smells great, does wonders, doesn't break me out, so I'm using it. And then lastly, I use sunscreen. Now this is just like a random brand. I have been sent a really nice green one by, I'm not gonna say the brand name right now because I can't remember it and I don't want to mess it up. But it's winter, so I thought I would go with a cheaper version because the sun's not out. I know it's still rays, that's why I'm still wearing it, but I don't want my expensive one to go when the summer is here and I'll be crying. So that is my morning skincare routine. Again, I don't wear makeup, so I do spend a lot of time on my skin, and it's the best decision that I've ever made because I know I've got a couple of spots right now, but my skin was terrible because of the medicine that I was on. It was terrible, like, oh girl, like that's what you do, you sort me. So this skincare routine has really changed my skin, my worries about my skin. Therefore, I'm not getting as much spots because I'm not worrying about my skin as much. My skin texture and dryness has changed. I don't get any flaky patches. I might just get a bit of tightness every now and then when like I haven't washed my face throughout the day or something like that. And it's changed the little bumps and the texture of my skin. Like everything is flat apart from this spot here, it needs to leave. It's all flat, like my cheeks are really good. My forehead's completely flat, that's just scarring. I've got a scar around here, and then I've just got a couple of little pimple spots around here. But it's really helped change my skin. So I really give it a try. It doesn't all have to be Korean. You could just do the 10-step routine without Korean products. But it's just the layering, I think, that really helps change my skin texture. Well, it does for me anyway. What I always will say at the end of the video, well, 99% of the time, is what works for me may not work for you, so keep that in mind, but you can always try and change things. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below if you want a nighttime routine, because if you think that was long, it's a lot longer. And I will see you guys later.